Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you guys this DIY lemonade nail look that I attempted to do on my week-and-a-half-old nails using the Polygel kit. It does come with instructions and a brush and spatula that will come in handy later on when applying the polygel. So inside the kit we have the base coat. We also have the top coat, and you have your three different polygels: the blue, the glow green, and these are glow in the dark, so that's why they're saying glow on them, and then the yellow. And it also comes with a nail cleanser and slip solution. It's a 2-in-1 formula. It is going to be very useful later on when applying the polygel to the tips of the nails. And you also have your dual forms. I did not use dual forms on my nails, but I have before and they work great. And you'll need your lamp. So today I will be using the yellow glow in the dark polygel, and I'm just going to go in here and drill off this top coat of gel polish that I have on my nails. It is very important to get all of that gel off, because otherwise the polygel, it will not stick, it will lift. If you guys are liking this video so far, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you're notified for when my next video is posted. And here I'm just making sure that I carefully get all of that gel off. That is a very important step. And you guys, this is not a tutorial. This is just something that I was experimenting with. I will be posting a video of how I actually do my nails, like from the beginning to end. This is just something that I wanted to try out, and I decided to film it. Okay, so here is the finished look, and we're just going to go ahead and clean this up a little bit. Now we are going to go ahead and get some of this slip solution. We are going to just put it into the top that it came with, because you aren't going to be needing a lot, so you can just squeeze it right in. And if you don't want to use this, you can use rubbing alcohol. And now we're just gonna go in, I'm just gonna go in and apply the base coat. I will be using the Clear Gel base coat. I actually love this base coat. I always use it whenever I do my nails. It's very efficient. And whenever you apply it, you just need to apply it to the tips, the part that will be getting the polygel. And cure for 60 seconds, and then we're gonna go ahead and start applying that yellow polygel. Guys, this did not turn out the way that I was expecting it to. It was way difficult than I expected it to be, to apply it onto this nail. I do believe it's because I already had polygel on my nails and it's been there for a while, so when I went to apply the new one, it wasn't as easy as I was expecting. So the next time I try this look, I will most definitely just be doing it from scratch. And we're just going to cure for 60 seconds. And curing every nail, that's not exactly necessary. You can go ahead and do all nails and cure them all at the same time, but me, I am such a klutz that I would have ruined it. So I like to cure every nail in between. And we're just going to do all of the nails the same way. And I did end up applying too much, but this is the outcome. Now I'm just gonna go in and give myself a little fill-in. Since these are old nails, I want them to look fresh. And once I'm done with that fill-in, I'm just gonna go ahead and start filing my nails and shaping them correctly and drilling them, because they were a little thicker than I expected them to be. So yes, drilling them was absolutely necessary in this case. And here they are. I have a little bling to add on to them because they didn't turn out the way that I wanted them to. So I wanted to just add something to them to make them look a little better. And I'm just gonna apply this top coat to my nails. So guys, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Here I am just applying that top coat and then putting the rhinestones on and curing for 60 seconds. After I cure for those 60 seconds, I am going to add a second coat and then cure for another 60 seconds. As I said before, these nails did not turn out the way I was hoping they would, but I still continued filming because I wanted to share with you guys the outcome, and here it is. So here's my before and after. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will be sharing everything with you guys on Wednesday and Friday at noon Eastern time.